Hello and welcome to the Ramakrishnan Lab tutorial on performing caudal vein microinjections in larval zebrafish. The first thing that you want to do is transfer your netsitized larvae to the injection slide and then sort them to the pre-injection area. The next thing that you'll want to do is break the needle off using a pair of number 5 jeweler's forceps. I prefer to do this with a larva within the field to give myself a reference point to break the needle off at the correct diameter. Now as I'm performing each injection, what I'm doing is I'm raising the needle and then I'm positioning the embryo just below the tip of the needle. The next thing that I do is I start to lower the needle until I see the embryo rotate. When the embryo rotates, that tells me that the needle has just made contact with the area which I'm about to inject. Then I gently push the embryo into the tip of the needle until it just barely pierces the caudal vein area. After that occurs, I can then inject the embryo, remove it, and then move on to the next one. This concludes the tutorial for performing caudal vein microinjections in larval zebrafish. For more information, you can consult the current Protocols of Microbiology chapter titled Zebrafish and Frog Models of Mycobacterium renum Infection, or contact myself at kktakaki@uw.edu.